Okay, let's open the box.
Yeah. We got a book on secret codes.
So we're going to make... That looks like a Cryptex.
It does.
Ooh, you have a code book.
Ooh. Natural Geographic.
Cobra King.
Activity
Adventure.
What?
It is a Cryptex. Look at that.
Okay. So first we need a locking pin, which is over here. And then we need 2 slotted circles, which I think are here. A grey sticky foam circle.
Yep, and then some grey sticky foam rectangles. A large grey sticky foam ring, an orange tube, and a rubber band. Okay, what's step 1 entails?
Step 1 tells us to grab a large slotted circle and find a notch in the top. Slide it onto the locking pin. So we have to.
Let's go.
We have to slide it in.
Okay. Nice.
We have to fit the top.
Okay. Yeah. And then
You have to put that there.
make sure it holds along you.
Yeah. It also
Holds
like.
along you. Okay.
Now you put this. You put it through. Oh, got it. While you're pushing it, you need to make sure the big circle stays in place.
Yeah. Let's see. You need to tilt around the bend.
Just stick it there.
Cool.
Right, and then we have to get one of these
The other one. Yeah, let's
front
get this.
squares. Yeah, it should be completely flat.
Alright, step 6. Slide the large gray sticky foam ring down the tube and stick it to the handle end. Alright, off you go.
Okay.
But this one is not fixed up. This one.
Oh no.
Push it down. Push it down properly, yeah.
Slide the first code ring onto the outer tube. Line up the code
on the retainer with the holes on the tail tube. So the gaps are aligned too. Then push the tabs into place. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, you try to spin it.
Yep.
That you change the lock, change the combination.
Hmm?
Change the combination. Change some more. Yeah, like that. Spin it like that, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now prove that you can't open.
Yeah, we
Try
can't
to, yeah,
open
can't
it
open
right
it. Okay. Okay, so this is done.
Yeah, so I just put something in there.
You prove that you can't open the Cryptex?
Cannot open.
Okay, so with the right combination.
9
Yeah.
and then 3.
Okay. Dun, dun, dun.
You can
Whoa! Nice. Okay. What message have we got inside?